Squibb aspirin disintegrates rapidly to give you quick relief, yet it is firmly compressed, so it will not crumble and stick in your throat. You save money on the family size of 200.
Fine, let me have them.
Ever time that talk, McCann?
Sure, it's no more than 10 seconds, but it sells a lot of Squibb aspirin.
And now let's see the proof behind this talk. Squibb aspirin is compressed of dry materials in separate air-conditioned rooms like these. That's to ensure against moisture, which breaks down aspirin, and to obtain a tablet that is firm and always precisely the same. But one compression of dry materials is not sufficient to produce the smooth, firm tablet Squibb standards require. So the dry, raw materials are first compressed into larger tablets or slugs. These are broken up into granular particles which do not, however, lose their compression. Then they are recompressed, this time for keeps, in batteries of machines like these. And now for a convincing visual test of how Squibb aspirin disintegrates. A Squibb aspirin tablet and another well-known aspirin tablet are dropped into this glass of water. The Squibb tablet is on the right. Watch what happens. Remember that the Squibb aspirin is firmly compressed so it will not break in the throat. Yet notice that it still disintegrates somewhat more rapidly than the other tablet, ready to go to work quickly. Notice, too, that the Squibb aspirin tablet on the right disintegrates into finer, more uniform particles. There is a difference in aspirin tablets, and Squibb's scientific skill does produce a superior product. More than 50 tests are made in the Squibb control laboratories to ensure the unvarying uniformity and quality of Squibb aspirin tablets. Squibb rigid quality control standards apply to every single Squibb product. Each is rigidly controlled. From raw materials through every step of manufacture to finished product, samples are taken and exacting tests are made. The control number, which appears on every Squibb product, is evidence of the many tests and assays that safeguard the purity and dependability for which Squibb aspirin and all other Squibb products are justly famous. Now we want to ask our two salesmen how they sell vitamin products.
Most people have foolish ideas about one vitamin or another. There is always a strong temptation behind the counter here to hand out too much advice. I try to remember first that I am not a doctor and cannot afford to get into counter-prescribing.
That's right. I always remember, too, that vitamins can only prevent or correct vitamin deficiencies. They do not impart boundless vim and energy, nor are they specifics for any diseases except vitamin deficiency diseases. I avoid wild claims and stick closely to information about the products themselves. But I sell a lot of vitamin products. And here's one sales opener that works for me. Are you taking your vitamins this winter? We recommend Theragrin because it supplies all the essential vitamins in therapeutic dosage, enough of each to really do some good. This bottle of 100 is more than a 3-month supply. It's an economy to buy this size.
I'd like to try it, but do you have it in a smaller size?
But sometimes the customer feels she doesn't require a product with as high a potency as Theragrin. I handle that situation this way. We suggest Vigrin capsules as a diet supplement for the prevention of vitamin deficiencies. Only 1 capsule daily supplies 100% or more of the minimum adult vitamin requirements.
How much are they?
This bottle of 100 costs you exactly...
I work Vigran about the same way. And when I get a call for ascorbic acid tablets, thiamine, or some other vitamin, I like to offer Squibb because my customers accept Squibb, whereas they frequently turn down some of the lesser-known brands. I sell a lot of Squibb B-complex capsules. I suppose that's because Squibb is the world's largest-selling brand. Here's what I say. 1 Squibb B-complex capsule supplies twice the minimum daily requirement of B1 and the full minimum daily requirement of B2. Each capsule also contains 5 grains of brewer's yeast.
Thank you, gentlemen. And now let's take a tip from Ferguson and McCann, both successful salesmen, both making good careers of drugstore selling. When customers in retail stores were asked what they wanted most in salespeople, they put these 4 qualities first: knowledge of merchandise, ability to make a brief, concise sales talk, appearance, personality. As a retail salesman or saleswoman, your earnings, your advancement, the success of your career depend on how well you use these keys to better selling. Note again in the brief review that follows how salesmen Ferguson and McCann present their product knowledge in brief, concise sales talks. You have heard the story of some 10 Squibb products. It can truly be said that each one of them is best for the purpose intended. Remember the selling points.
Do you want it for internal use? Then we recommend Squibb Epsom salt for its exceptional purity. Have you tried Squibb milk of magnesia? I know you'll like its more agreeable taste.
We recommend Squibb dental cream because most people like the refreshing mint flavor as well as the way its antacid action helps fight tooth decay. Here's something new, the Squibb angle toothbrush. It's bent like a dentist's mirror to help you reach those hard-to-get-at surfaces. It meets all the specifications recommended in the Journal of the American Dental Association.
Squibb mineral oil is a natural, extra heavy oil, especially refined to make it practically tasteless and odorless. Its unvarying quality has made it the world's largest selling brand.
We recommend Squibb cod liver oil as a dependable natural source of vitamins A and D, needed by babies and growing children to build sound bones and teeth and promote growth. Squibb's high vitamin potency means greatest economy and better protection for your child.
Squibb aspirin disintegrates rapidly to give you quick relief, yet it is firmly compressed, so it will not crumble and stick in your throat. You save money on the family size of 200.
Are you taking your vitamins this winter? Theragrin supplies all the essential vitamins in therapeutic dosage. This bottle of 100 is more than a 3-month supply. It is an economy to buy this size.
We suggest Vigrin capsules as a diet supplement for the prevention of vitamin deficiencies. Only 1 capsule daily supplies 100% or more of the minimum adult vitamin requirements.
And when I sell B-complex, I say 1 Squibb B-complex capsule supplies twice the minimum daily requirement of B1 and the full minimum daily requirement of B2. Each capsule also contains 5 grains of brewer's yeast.
These 10 Squibb products have different uses, but all are distinguished for one thing. What is it? The priceless ingredient. Yes, each one is backed by the honor and integrity of the House of Squibb, and each one the best product for the purpose intended.